Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start now, power the device off and move to a low-dust workspace, bathroom after a hot shower, or inside a clean box. Use an alcohol wipe to remove oils, then a microfiber cloth to dry. This removes residues that trap bubbles. Next, use a dust sticker or clear tape to lift any remaining specks. Position your alignment frame or tape guides on the phone so the protector will land evenly. This reduces repositioning and minimizes trapped particles as you proceed. Once done with cleaning, peel the protector's backing just enough to expose a thin edge. Do not remove it completely so you can control contact. You align using the phone's edges and camera cutout. Hold the protector parallel above the screen and check all reference points. Slowly lower the exposed edge onto the screen, letting the adhesive make contact progressively rather than slapping it down. As the protector seats, run a soft card or applicator from center toward the edges to push out air and make sure to peel the top protective film slowly after the protector is fully seated. Press all edges and corners with a microfiber or apply gentle heat from a hair dryer on low to help adhesion if needed. If a dust particle remains, lift the nearest corner with a dust sticker, remove the speck, and quickly reseat that area. For small air bubbles, press them toward the nearest edge with your card. For persistent tiny bubbles, a very small pinprick and smooth push will release the air without damaging the protector.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.